Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Well, hey, it's Saturday. It's time for the 6th part thing on the Advent calendar. I'm not even awake yet. Here's the Lego guy from last night. Check him out. Ooh, camera dude. Ooh. Anyways, here is number 6 right there. And today we've got the sweet and sour Soba. I don't think I've had this one. I guess we'll see. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and we continue with day 6 of the German Instant Noodle Advent Calendar. And yeah, it's Saturday, the 6th. And this is Cup Noodles Soba, and this is, look at that, it's a limited edition. I didn't know there was going to be something like this in there. That's cool. This is a sweet and sour Soba. So let's give it a try. These cups are really neat, and they've got pour spout. They just call it Soba. It's Yaki Soba. So there you go. Now you know. And yeah, let's get her going. I'm still kind of smacking the sleep out of my face. Kind of. Put the lid on, and we set her for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And a yakisoba. So today is my daughter's big day of their what do you call it? Her choir club or chorus club performance. So that's cool. I'm gonna go do that in a little bit. And yeah, I'm beat. What else is going on today? I don't know. But ooh, that's gonna be weird. I know next Saturday we've got birthday stuff for my daughter, and so I don't know, that's going to be interesting. I might have to get everything all ready to review the night before and then do it early in the morning. I don't know though. I've been really enjoying the on the day of the day, opening the thing, doing the review, all that stuff. So I might just have to get up extra early. Yeah, that could work. Anyways, what else is going on? Not a lot. It looks like I will be getting a new keyboard, so that's a plus. You have no idea how irritating it is when you are pushing the buttons and it doubles up R's and I's, and the workaround I found for it doesn't work. So, gonna get a new keyboard with a 5-year protection plan. So if there's any problem with it, and the worst case scenario, I'll keep my old one just in case, or when the same thing happens again. I don't know. I keep getting these keyboards and they're really decent, but they do fail. And I don't care for that aspect of things, but what do you do? I don't trust myself not to burn myself violently, so I am going to, there we go. I'm going to double up the drain spout action here. Yeah, I'm beat. we stayed up late and we watched this movie called The Substance. Definitely not a Christmas film. It's pretty weird, but if you like kind of horror movie, it's kind of a weird, kind of a commentary rather, on society and shallowness and such. Okay, let's see how this goes. There we go. We're draining. It's draining well. There it goes, it's draining. I'm like, well, why don't you just hold the thing the way you're supposed to, but dealing with hot boiling stuff first thing in the morning just doesn't seem like the right way to go. Usually I'm out walking at this point. What time is it? It's 10. Are we good? Okay, I think I've got them. Dang, it's still hot. Okay. Wow. I do use fingers from time to time, and when I do them, I don't like them to burn, but I think we're good. I haven't even complained about the Christmassy music I'm playing yet. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, Christmas. Burp. It's gonna be Christmas. Woo. I don't know. Christmas has gotten kind of weird. Had a nice evening. I got, as I may have mentioned, I got some 78 RPM records. Not yesterday, I think it was the day before yesterday, at the old secondhand store. And listened to them last night. God, this is awful. Okay, here we go. There we go. But I went through it and I found some cool stuff. There was one record, and the track was simply called Television. And it was about how it used to be great. There were phonographs and radios, and now everybody knows what everybody looks like on them. So my old lady, she's gone. She's like watching Perry Como on TV all the time. It was kind of funny, but it was like talking about how the television needs to go. It's of the devil and all this stuff. Back in the day, I think it was from like 1944 or 47. It must have been. I don't know, when did television come into the forefront as a thing? I don't know. I certainly wasn't around for it. I mean, I existed in some form of the ether, but okay, so this one's sweet and sour, and I'm really curious about it. Curious as a cat. Okay, let's see if I combined it correctly. I don't know that I did. Well, let's give it a try, and then I'll stir it some more. First taste of the day. Cheers. Oh, wow. That totally tastes like sweet and sour. Totally. Like, it's even got the little bit of pineapple kind of hint to it. That's not bad. That is a really good approximation. That I wish I would have made some chicken for that, but I've got some pork. some pork. Gotta kind of tease it out there. Oh, it's kind of looks like it has a hat on top. Let's fix that. Wow, it's strong. But yeah, it does taste like sweet and sour. They did a good job of that one. Okay. Is this the last of the eggs from here? I kind of hope so, because I got new eggs and I'm ready to use those. No, there's this one and one more. Okay. Oh, snap. I was going... Well, hopefully my blowtorch stays away from this egg. You might be wondering, why aren't you using a fried egg? And it's like, well, I was expecting more soupy ones. I think it's a better gamble just to make a bunch of softies than to go with not. So that's what I've been doing. Pork, sweet and sour pork. Yeah. See, the other day I was doing that, and I had my phone near the water when it was boiling, and it overheated. Like the phone got mad. Wow, an actual Christmas song. That's an actual Christmas song, folks. Usually it's just been like, all they do is add some jingle bells and it just sounds like a kind of like standard Muzak track. I think we're good. I was thinking I could add some of that spicy sauce, but I don't think there's really any point in that. Spicy, sweet and sour, And I need to get some shichimi. In the post for this one today, I put a link for Amazon. They've got shichimi on there for like $2 and well, it's under $3, which is pretty decent. But there is our sweet and sour soba for day 6. I can't believe it. I'm reviewing on a Saturday with more Saturdays to come. Oh wow, that's it? Oh, here we go. Well, crazy. Reviewing on a Saturday, and I got tomorrow too, and just like every day, all the way up until Christmas. The one thing that's gonna be really, really tough the further it goes. So on each one of these posts, I've got a little stripe on top of each one. and it says day 1 through day 24, plus there's the original unboxing. So I'm adding the link so you could go like day 1, oh cool, day 2, oh cool, you know, so you can just like go right through it. Well, every time I do a review, I've got to update. So like, including the unboxing, this is the 7th. So I'm gonna have to go update 6 posts. When I get to number like 15 or 16, that's gonna take some time, I think. So, yeah. So the more I do, the longer that part of it takes. So that'll be funny, I think. I don't know. I think certain things are funny that probably aren't all that exceedingly humorous to most, but, you know, whatever. Anyways, sweet and sour. This one's good, and it's in a limited edition. So if you're in Europe and you can grab one, give it a try. It's interesting. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you... Oh, I forgot the mayo. We can't forget the mayo. It's yakisoba. I'm a strong advocate of mayonnaise on yakisoba. Okay, let's do the mayo thing really quick. Why didn't that pop into my head? Oh, I don't know. 45 seconds ago? A minute ago? 2 minutes ago? I don't know. But here we go with the mayo. And as usual, it's just a Ziploc bag with the corner cut off, which seems to work pretty well. It's just all about how I cut this thing. Okay. Oh, now it's creepy Christmas. Is that what we got going on? There. You got your mayo. You get a little quick rotation. Oh, counter to the last one, right? But yeah, you too can make fancy looking mayo frou like that. You could do 2 of them. You can do one with that and then one with okonomiyaki sauce, so you get that kind of neat one that they do at Japanese restaurants on your takoyaki. Anyways, this has been Hans wishing you an enjoyable day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.